Check out Casper the Friendly Douchebag. Dave Hintz, you are so pale and so ghostly white. You look like you just saw Catherine Geronimi naked. Oh, how'd you get the roast battle? Come on.
Thanks, Chemo, Mr. Spock. This is hard for me because Johnny Benson actually really helped me out for his comedy. He's a really good guy.
Still fucking good.
Thank you. There's one thing I've always wanted to say, Johnny. All the years I've known you, I love you, man, but your fucking voice, you just sound like Kermit the Frog trying to decide whether to spit or swallow.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's halfway down. I don't like it, but it's almost done.
Let's see you do an impression of a punchline. Dave Hintz says he's not gay, he's only gay on paper. Even though he looks like Anthony Michael Hall drank so much semen that he turned into Tilda Swinton.
I would kill for her body. Oh, Johnny Benson. Johnny Benson got married, and his wife had a son from a previous marriage. And I have never seen anyone be a better stepdad than Johnny Benson. He posts pictures. He's always so proud of his stepson. Honestly, Johnny, if you loved another man's child any more, you could be your own father.
David Hintz insists that he's not gay, even though he looks like Bart Simpson grew up to be a gay waiter just for the tip.
Thank you for the blowjob analogy because I didn't know what the fuck you did. It ain't garbage. One more. That was three. Yeah, one more. Yeah, the one you've been all waiting for. Johnny Benson, you look so much like a penis that when you shrug your shoulders, it looks like it's going back into hiding. And when it's cold out, you get shorter. Penis joke. Boom.
All right, you guys, let's hear it for us!